Just now we have discussed locate root 2 on number line. Yes or no, children? Now in this video we are going to take locate root 3 on number line. Okay, it is a little bit different from that sum. Okay now children, first same process we have to do by Pythagoras theorem. We have to write Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse whole square is equals to opposite side whole square plus adjacent side whole square. Okay, I have drawn a right angle triangle. Okay, and I have named the slant height will be hypotenuse and the opposite to hypotenuse will be your opposite side and the base will be your adjacent side. Okay now children, now see here, first we have to do rough column. Okay, perfect square numbers we have to write it. Okay, now 3, how can we divide root 3? We can divide into root 2 and root 1. At least we want one square number, perfect square number. Okay, so because of that I have taken root 1 and 2 because 1 is the perfect square number. Okay now children, from 3 if I remove 1 I'll be remaining with 2. Okay, because of that root 2 and root 1 we have taken. Root 2 is nothing but base, that is adjacent side. For 1 is a perfect square number, so the answer will be 1. Okay, so that is nothing but height is nothing but opposite side. Okay now children, till here did you understand? Yes, so I'll be writing base is root 2 and height is 1. Okay, same thing we are going to substitute it, hypotenuse whole square as it is. In place of opposite side 1 we are going to write 1 square plus root 2 square. Square root gets cancelled. Okay, now 1 square, 1 is nothing but 1 plus 2 as it is. We are going to send this square to that side. Okay, so 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3, hypotenuse whole square. Square we are going to send that side, will be getting square root. Okay, the number is 3, so we are going to write 3 as it is. Okay now children, till here did you understood? So root 3 is hypotenuse, so I am going to write root 3 as hypotenuse. Okay, now see here we are going to draw a number line. Okay, as you all know we have to draw a number line. I will be drawing a new number line. See here, first okay, at 0 I'll leave some space. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, till here 7 8 9. Okay, till here I am going to draw it. Okay, now this is 0 1 by 2 1. Yes, this is 3 by 2 2. This is 5 by 2 3. Okay, that's enough. Okay, till 3 we are going to write. Okay, yes, can you see it? 0 1 by 2 1 3 by 2 2 5 by 2 3. Okay, till there only we are going to take it. Okay, now they are saying base is what? Root 2. So first we have to take the first process. Okay, just now we have done, no? Yes, first root 2. Okay, we have to take first root 2. Okay now children, just now we have done this. Okay, so first we are going to draw root 2. Okay, now see here, the base should be 1 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter, and the height also should be 1 centimeter. Sorry, 1 unit. Okay, not 1 centimeter, it is unit. Okay, 1 unit. Okay, first we have to draw square root, same process we have to do. Okay, 1 unit. Okay, 1 unit is equals to how many centimeter? 2 centimeter. Okay, so our 1 unit is 2 centimeter, because of that I am taking till 2. Okay, same process just now we have done for root example 7. No, same thing I am going to do it. Okay, but we should not draw arc, children. Okay, here we should not draw arc. Okay, this is also 1 unit and this is root 2. Yes or no? Like this we have done in example 7, same process. Yes, now for root 3 what is the difference? First we have to draw like this. Now root 2, now root 2 is what? Base. Now this became base. Okay, now what is height? 1 unit. Okay, what is height? 1 unit. So our 1 unit is nothing but 2 centimeter. So this horizontal line should touch us our horizontal line, children. Okay, so like this it should be exactly touching like this. Okay, so 1 unit we have to draw. So our 1 unit is 2 centimeter. Because of that reason I have taken like this. Okay, till 2, okay, till 2 centimeter. Now same thing we have to join till 0. Okay, so I am going to draw like this. Okay, now this is 1 unit. See here, now base became √2 and height became 1 unit and hypotenuse will be √3. Okay, now we have to measure from 0 till this point. Okay, till this point we have to measure it. Okay, till this point. Okay, now first I'll measure it and we have to draw an arc. Okay, we have to draw an arc. Okay, actually you should not touch pencil, children. Okay, as it is not visible, because of that reason I have did cross. Okay, and I have touched the pencil. Okay, so you have to draw the arc. Okay, now see here where I got arc. This is 3/2 is nothing but 1.5, right? 3/2 is nothing but 1.5. This is 2. Between 1.5 and 2 we got the arc. Okay, so √3, what is √3 value? By long division method we have done, that is 1.732, so on. Okay, so what is √3 value? 1.7. so because of that reason after 1.5 we got the arc. Okay, now children, this is your example 8. I hope you all have understood it. Okay, first you have to do √2, then you will get the √3. Okay, now children, I hope you all have understood it. One more thing, see here, for √5. Now √5 how you have to take? Okay, √5, √10. Okay, now see here, first perfect square numbers, as you all know, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. As the number is 5, it is nearest to 4, so I am going to split in √4 and √1. Okay, that is nothing but √4 is nothing but 2 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square, square root gets cancelled, that is nothing but 2. What is 1? As you all know, 1 square, we'll write 1 as it is. 1 is the height, so the base is 2 and the height will be 1. Okay, so 10, same thing, 9 and 1, √9 and √1. At least we want one perfect square number. If we get two perfect square number, that will be easy for us. Okay, now √9 is nothing but 3 square, so the base will be what? 3, and here for 1 as we'll get the number as 1 itself, so the height will be 1. Okay, so 2 units, 3 units we are getting, right? So see here, so if you get base as 2 units, till 2 units you have to draw the line, children. Okay, till 2 units you are going to draw the line. Okay, I hope you all have understood √2 and √3. Yes or no, children? Thank you, children.